Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data from your old device to your new Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So if you have switched your smartphone to Samsung Galaxy M55 5G, you can transfer pretty much everything that you want from your old device by using the Send Anywhere app. So in order to get the app, we need to go to the Play Store and then we need to search for it. So let's type Send Anywhere. And then you want to install this app over here. Let's give it a couple of seconds. Of course, you need to install it on both devices in order to be able to send these files. Over here, I have prepared the app on my previous device, and this is how it looks when you run it for the first time. So when we open it, we will need to grant access to certain permissions, of course. We need to agree to terms of service and to privacy policy, and then press confirm. Then press continue, we need to allow, and then notifications are not required, so we don't have to do this, but I'm gonna allow anyway. Over here we don't really need any updates, so select not now and then OK. Now here we have the information about Wi-Fi Direct, but we don't really need to use it, although of course you can try it out by yourself. So now on one device, on the old one, we need to select what we want to transfer. So let's say we want to transfer some photos. Over here I have some photos, and let's say I want to select this one, and of course you can tap on the date in order to select all of them. And now over here at the bottom we have send. We can press send, and we should generate the QR code and the digit code, the 6-digit code that we can enter on our new device. So now on our new device, we need to go to receive at the bottom. And now over here, we can either input the key, that is this one, or we can press on this QR code icon in order to open the scanner and then scan the code over here. I'm gonna enter the code manually. So let's do this. There we go. And then let's press receive. Now let's wait a couple of seconds and we should start downloading. There we go. Now we are downloading and sending files. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you will see some ads in this app, and this seems to be about it. So now let's open the gallery, and as you can see, I have everything on my new device that I transferred. And like I said, we can transfer photos, we can transfer videos, we can even transfer audio files, and even apps and contacts, and so on and so forth. So there's lots that we can transfer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.